So that is the Peace Palace. Ayan, nasa likod ko ang Peace Palace. Grabe, ang tagal ko na dito sa The Hague. I've been living in The Hague, the Netherlands for almost 13 years now. Lalapit tayo sa Peace Palace tapos papakita ko siya sa inyo. Let's go! So, ayan na siya guys, ang Peace Palace here in The Hague. So, dito nag-file yung Philippines ng case nila against you know who during the dispute sa West Philippine Sea, and guess who won? So yeah, dito muna tayo, chill muna tayo sa may Peace Palace. So yeah, the Peace Palace is home to several international organizations such as the International Court of Justice, the Permanent Court of Arbitration, and the Hague Academy of International Law. So yeah, it's a neoclassical building. Ang ganda lang. Yay! So yeah, sa Peace Palace nandiyan ang Permanent Court of Arbitration, and the Permanent Court of Arbitration help resolve dispute between states through peaceful means. Yay, peace! O diba, ang ganda dito sa The Hague. Yay! Saan ang Philippines? Ayun! Philippines! Sarap mamasyal dito. Ang ganda, ang linis, ang peaceful. Hence the Peace Palace. Ayan ang ICC, ang International Criminal Court. Hello everyone, I am now at the International Criminal Court. It was established in July 17, 1998 and came into force on July 1, 2002. So the ICC is designed to prosecute individuals who committed crimes against humanity. The ICC's primary goal is to end impunity and ensure accountability for those who committed war against humanity. I'm actually in front of the old entrance of the United Nations Detention Unit. So the United Nations Detention Unit is the UN facility used to detain individuals under the custody of the International Criminal Court, and it is located here in The Hague in Scheveningen. So ayan siya, yung old entrance. Ayun, pupunta na kami sa entrance kung saan pinasok si former president. Pero kasi yung pinakita ko sa inyong building, yun yung old entrance. Ayun. Yung place na to nasa news recently. Okay. Yeah, pupuntahan namin yung place. So, ito yung lugar kung saan nila pinasok si Digo. So, ayan yung gate. Penitentiary in Richting Haaglanden. Grabe nung dinala siya dito, ang daming tao. Ang lamig. Ang lamig dito ngayon, guys. Tapos kung titignan, parang ordinary road lang siya, dinadaanan ng mga sasakyan. Pero nung World War II, mayroong mga minurder dyan yung mga Nazi dyan. Yay! Nandito kami sa Mall of the Netherlands. Kakain kami. Yay! Food! Food is life. Yan, kakain kami ng pasta. Pupunta kami sa Vapiano here sa Mall of the Netherlands. Yay!